Oh,
okay.
no.
We're gonna explore the wonders of the freezer. Woo! So, take it away. Aria, I'll go get some cucumber.
We have ice in a freezer.
It's louder.
What is it called again?
Yogurt.
Yogurts. And lots of clams.
Vegetarian.
And
Clams?
hash browns.
Yeah.
And like cheese pizza. And beans. And like smoothie packets. And spring rolls.
We have to delete this
Oh my God, what is that lean stuff?
I was like,
Chicken spring rolls.
vegetarian.
Mixed vegetables.
You could do pizza dough.
Huh?
You could do pizza dough.
Soy milk.
I love soy milk, but it has to be chocolate.
If you get the soy milk, the very, very vanilla, it tastes really good. It tastes like deliciousness.
Say bye.
It does.
Say bye.